Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got two hairstyles for you. This video has been so highly requested. I finally got around to filming it for you guys. My hair is a bit of a mess today. My fringe is squee whiff. I am getting my hair done tomorrow. And I didn't want to wash it yesterday because the first hairstyle you can pretty much do on any day, but the second hairstyle is kind of better off on second or third day of not washing your hair. So I've kind of just left it how it is. I'm going to stop talking now and we'll get straight into the first hairstyle. So the first one is really simple and easy. You're going to need two hairbands and a hairbrush, literally as simple as that. So I'm going to put both hairbands on my wrist, and then what we're going to do is we're going to brush it into a high ponytail. Okay, so you can put your ponytail further back or further forward, whatever suits you best. Don't know if you guys can even see, let me come down a bit. Right, so put your hair into a ponytail. I'm not very good at this, so I turn once, tie it again. Now on the third twist we won't be pulling the hair all the way through. So how do I show this? I'm not very good at this, guys. So can you see that? So pull the hair up and stop here, so you've got half of your hair. Okay, now you guys are a bit higher, so you want to have it halfway through, so you just want to leave a little bit hanging so it sits like that. Get the other hairband, put it on a hand, grab everything and then literally fold it in half. So it's like that. Get the hairband, tie it round, and you'll have something that looks like that. And then what you do is you just pull it out, and you can make it to how you want it, how far you want to pull it out, how big you want it. So yeah, I think because I've been doing this hairstyle for years, my hair is literally just used to going like that. If you have medium to long hair, obviously this hairstyle works best. My mum does it the same, but she has like a different way of doing it, and she has medium hair length. My sister, we can't really do it on because her hair is really thick and heavy, so it wouldn't just sit like this. You'd probably have to start putting grips in or bobby pins to make it stay in its shape, but ever since I've done mine just goes like this. I don't know how, but it just does. So that's literally it. Really quick and easy. Some days it comes out really nice. Pretty much every day it comes out different depending on how far forward it is, how far back it is, if my hair's really soft, if it's not. But it pretty much goes right on the first attempt. I don't really ever have to redo it. I will say sometimes I get like long bits like this hanging out. I just tuck them under, or I tie them into the hairband up here. But yeah, literally it takes me 2 minutes to do every morning. That's why my hair is literally always like this. It's just quick and easy. This hairstyle is literally indestructible. It will stay like this throughout any type of weather, wind, rain, you name it, it stays. So let's move on to the next hairstyle, which is two of these bad boys. Okay, ignore what I look like. So for the next hairstyle you'll need 4 hairbands. I forgot to say I'm using like quite thick ones, and some grips or bobby pins. So we're basically going to repeat the hairstyle that we did before, but it will just be twice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to part my hair in half. What we're going to do is we're going to put it in basically 2 ponytails, and then we'll pull it halfway through again. So we'll put it as if we're putting in ponytails. So once I get it nice and tight, so for example on this next twist, what we'll do is we again only pull the hair part of the way through. So we've got like lovely little dog ears, and we'll repeat the same on this side. For this one I like to put my head over and put it in a ponytail. I just find it a lot easier. Okay, try to get them as equal as you can. I mean, it don't matter too much. On my last turn we pull the hair through, So hard to do it in the viewfinder, but get them about equal again, as much as you can. So like these bits, as you can see, are kind of like the same length. Right, that looks about equal to me. So again, we literally do the same thing. We're going to fold both of these in half. So grab all the hair, fold in half. It kind of depends how much you want to leave up here. Just by experience, I kind of know how much to pull through. And then we just tie it around. Sorry guys, I'm trying to use my mirror. So should look something like that. Now that's literally how I used to do my hair before I realised that I could pin them in place. So let me do the other one. Grab all of the hair, fold in half. Now I don't know what it is with this one, but this one always goes weird. This hairstyle can take several attempts to get right. You might have to redo one quite a few times. So tie it round, only tie it round about twice because they do feel very secure. Now as you can see, they look completely different. So this is the problem that you might find that you have, like trying to get them right. Honestly, my house is so hot and I'm here in a hoodie. Okay, so this is going to be really hard to do on camera. So I'm just going to look in the mirror, but what I'm going to do is I'm literally just going to like pull them out and shape them. So I kind of pull out how much hair I kind of want, and then we take our grip bobby pin. Right, am I going to be able to do this on camera? So then I grab like the end and I pull it down, and then I secure in place. I only ever use 2 grips per bun. This one's like my favourite one. This is like the good child, this is the naughty child. So I'm going to pin this side, even though it kind of stays pretty much in place. So again, you just kind of like grab the end bit, pull it down slightly, and just pin. You can't ever really see the grips. Right, so now that kind of looks decent. Let me show you guys the back. So that's what we currently have. So obviously if you do have a lot of hair, you're going to have kind of leftover, but I don't mind. Now for the naughty child. So I'm literally going to do the same, but I might have to look in the mirror because it's really hard. These are definitely not identical twins today. These are non-identical. Sometimes I don't mind them looking a bit messy. Can you just see how this one doesn't want to play ball today? So I've grabbed the end of it and bobby pinned it. So I've got this little bit hanging out. So what I'm going to do, if I can even show you guys, is I'm just going to tuck it into the hairband. Okay, so this is how they've come out. Now, I knew of all days when I wanted to film this that it was going to go terribly wrong, but at least I get to show you the overall gist of how I do them. Like I said, some days you might be fixing both of them, some days you might just be fixing one. Like I said, this one's not my favourite one. This one pretty much goes right all the time. I do find if I've got textured hair, so that might be whether I've plaited it and it's a bit crimped or wavy, or if you've curled it, they go much better into this hairstyle. I never need to use any extra hairbands or grips. I literally use 2 hairbands in each and 2 grips. Sometimes I don't mind them looking messy like today. They're a bit more like all over the place. Normally they're a bit closer together, but it's just so hard to do it in like a little viewfinder. So I'll show you what the back looks like. The back normally looks messy like all the time anyway, but I don't really care. So that is what the back looks like. Sometimes it's messier, sometimes it's neater. But obviously you can like pin things if you want to. If you do have shorter hair, it'll probably be a little bit less messy and not as much hair there. So that is how I do my famous buns. This is more like my little Mickey Mouse cute hairstyle. This would be so cute doing this for like when you go to the Disney park. But yeah, I'm sorry if this is a bit all over the place, if you guys can't really see what I was doing. Like I said, it's so hard to do it in a little viewfinder, especially this hairstyle that like I haven't quite mastered because I don't do it every day. Do let me know in the comments below if you have any other questions. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.